Today we start our 140-mile journey to Fence, Wisconsin to hopefully catch some trout. We don't know what to expect, so let's see what happens. Come on, man, drive the boat.
Let me call big alligator. This is big alligator. Try shoot. Shoot him, try. Shoot him.
How many did you catch?
A bunch of chubs, but I got one.
Max was caught like 5 down there. I haven't caught one.
Really?
I threw my line in the water.
How big are they? Good size.
Yeah. I first cast, set the hook. I had him up, flopped against the rocks, and he fell off.
Yep.
After that,
Same.
I had a huge spool that went underneath my reel.
Ooh.
Had to take that all out. Had to
Yeah.
retie 3 times because I kept getting knots, and I have yet to catch a fish.
Yeah. I mean, you could try here. I'm getting chubs right now, but I mean, it's worth a shot for you. I was gonna head down a bit because I got one and Dad's down a little bit. But yeah, I had one on the line before, got it up, went up next to the rocks, just like you, flopped off right in the water. It's good size, and then had another one just before I could get it up. It fell off, but then I got one. So, I mean, if you want to try here, you can.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been casting kind of just into the little river.
Yeah. Got one, folks. Finally. We got her. In the bag he goes. Let's catch another one.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I feel like I'm on swamp, people. My boots wet. Have one hook left that I'm gonna catch a fishy on. It almost fell into the water. Now we're gonna catch a fishy.
To him, Joy. To him.
Oh, that's a big alligator.
Tell him, boy. That's a little ton for the. That'd be a lot of money. We're gonna win the bounty this year. We're definitely winning the bounty. That's a high quality. That's a high quality alligator right there. That's all this big alligator doing.
Oh, look at the jumbo.
There's Toya.
The viewers can't see that. Huh? It's animal abuse. And we're back.
To him, Toy.
Well, I'm gonna get one by the tree branch.
That's a fat chub, boy.
Damn, that thing's fucking huge.
Bigger than my trout.
Keep that fucking make that spread or whatever your dad was talking about.
That boy got some horns on him.
The boy got horns.
That's the biggest creature I've ever seen.
Ugliest creature.
Throw him in your grill and then go to your dad. I got the biggest one.
Try this big alligator.
You actually gotta keep that shit. You're like, hey dad, I got 20-inch trout. He's like, oh, let me see it. Pull that out. There you go. He's like, there you go, alligator.
It's a big ass alligator.
Look at this one.
Dang, it's a snake, boy. Get him.
Shoot him, Tom.
Good night, Mr. Chubb. Good night.
We don't like those around here. They make a mess of my alligators. That boy's doing a tail feather swim.
It's okay, boy. It's a minor state of shock. This will wake you up. No, he's alright. I thought it was a trout at first.
Folks, this is premium entertainment right here. I think it's an alligator going to that rock. It's the fattest alligator. I think that's the fattest alligator I've ever seen.
Try and get over by this rock. I just got bit over.
Boy, this is a chub spot. I'm leaving.
So what do you need to laugh?
See if I can catch an alligator. Come here, alligator.
Got an alligator chub.
Oh, it's a father son.
Dang, this boy actually is fat though.
Ooh.
Look at his stomach on this pooper. That's an AP Bass Special.
We already killed 3 trout.
They keep biting my hook. Trying to catch a big alligator. And they keep biting my head. I think I see him over there. Shoot him with 22. His head's popping out of the water. I don't know how that's not illegal. They just shoot him in open water. Shoot him. I think we got alligator on the trap. The tree's moving, boy. Max, I think we got alligator on the trap. The tree's moving. Oh, there's a couple of them over there. Probably about 5 of them. But they kept biting my line. I told them to stop, but they didn't listen to me. My fingers are actually very cold. That's what I just said, boy. I need some pockets that are dry.